What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for C Limited with the ticker symbol SE. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So C Limited continues to push up higher, which is nice. It's almost reaching the measure move target. You can see this was the prior impulse. This was the start of the second impulse, targeting the 49.95 level, and price reached the 48.50 level. So you can see that the bulls are trying to reach the measure target, but they are starting to fail because you see the price is dropping. So a lot of this probably has to do with the overall market having some type of negative sentiment in emerging market stocks. But either way, C Limited was attempting to do a gap fill. This very large gap right over here created by that drop down. So $56 level is the target after the measuring target. But if the bulls fail and we start seeing a reversal, then price can come back all the way to the $40 level and retest it. So we did see price break outside of this trend line, so I can go and erase that one. And let's just clean up the chart. Price already reached that measure move target, so we can go and erase those arrows. We can erase this circle, and this channel is not really helping that much anymore. So again, price is right at this trend line support. So we'll see if we can hold or not. If not, then I think there's a good chance price can reach the low 40s. So that's what it's looking like for C Limited. It was bullish, but again, if price is not trying to go up, most likely it's going to go down. Maybe just in the short term. I think C Limited is looking pretty good for more upside, but again, in the really short term, maybe the next couple of days, couple of weeks, it looks like we can see a drop and then maybe a rebound for higher prices. So that's the expectation. I think as long as price stays above the $40 level, it's going to be pushing up higher. If we see a break below, that's not a good sign. It can come back down to the 35s, possibly even lower. So we want to see the bulls maintain support above the $40 level, and then we can see the bounce up higher. If you're a bear, you want to see a strong break through it, a weak bounce, which will probably lead to more downside. So something like that is the pattern you want to see. What the bulls want to see is possibly something like that, just a correction down for higher price targets. So me, personally, I'm seeing a little bit more downside for C Limited. Just like a bunch of other stocks, a lot of these stocks do trade very similarly. They're not that different from each other. So if I see, a chart that's looking bearish and I see another chart looking bearish, a lot of times, a bunch of other charts are going to be looking bearish as well, just like this one for right now. So 43.64, that's the EMA target, and then possibly the low 40s would be my next target in the short term. So here's a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price is maybe coming to a bottom. There was a downtrend previously, a break of it, and two legs down, which is some type of bottoming pattern. But again, we're not seeing a strong reversal take place. We are seeing a somewhat of bounce, but not a strong reversal. So again, this needs to continue push up higher, and then we can look for much more higher price targets. So let me draw a trend line off of the swings. So you can see that somewhat we're finding a rejection off of the swings using the weekly chart candles. So again, there's some type of resistance going on right now. So again, C Limited is not bullish unless they can break the 56 at the very least, and ideally the 89. So again, C Limited most likely going to be trading in the long term, medium term, not long term, medium term, near these lower price levels, and then maybe eventually it will reverse in the future. So that could take a while. So that's all I have for C Limited on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.